What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're just out in River Falls. Flipsky got a little bit hot on the way over here. Alright, so some people left the comment on my previous video where I got the Flipsky and I put it in this GoPro box. They said the Flipsky is going to get too hot, and that is correct. It is going to get too hot. But the Flipsky seems to be able to kind of throttle things, do the thermal rollback based on the controller temperature. So we're on 21S 5P Big Daddy Samsung. I probably just went like 8 miles or something, so we've been going for a while. Man, it is cold out. Oh, it was sunny, and then this little cloud popped into the way. So I'm sure he'll be back. Oh! I'm just riding the Mongoose Dolomite with the Bafang G62 1000 watt rear hub motor on it. And it's got the welded clutch. So we can do regen. When I welded the clutch, it kind of started making some funny noises, the motor did. I think if you don't Loctite the planetary gear carrier onto the axle with some crazy Loctite, then it can kind of like shift around and stuff when you start doing regen with these motors. So I call it the Noisy Boy, this motor. I gave it a name. He's the Noisy Boy. G62 from Grintech. Brr, it is cold. I have Crocs and lounge socks on. Oh. Crocs and lounge socks, and it's pretty cold out. A little bit harder to do commentary when it's cold out, so we'll see how this goes. Brr, I'm freezing. I think it's 40 something degrees out, like 40 to 45 was the high today. I really gotta do something about the Flipsky overheating because it is freezing out. But I opened the little controller box up to see how hot it was, and it was like burning hot, the Flipsky was, when it said 80 something. So we're just rolling into River Falls past the top secret Coca-Cola bottling facility. We're about to go mountain biking. Brr. I'm hoping when I start pedaling my feet will warm up a little bit. Feels good to be out though. It's been raining for like 3 days. So I like to just go out here and pedal around a little bit for the first time in days. Sun is getting lower. We are going to jump into the trails right here. That is a... Oh my god. The regen, holy buckets, we gotta turn that down, buddy. Low battery, get out of here. Oh my goodness. Put me into do not disturb mode. Alright. So hopefully we can keep the screen recording going. So let's go to profiles. Add profile. Alright. So we'll call this street. Then I'm gonna add a profile. And we'll call this trails. And then on the brake, we're gonna set it to 6. Then I'm gonna use trails until reboot, or I'll use it permanently. There we go. Okay. Alright, so we turned the regen down a little bit. That was pretty crazy right there. There's a bunch of loose stuff in the road, like they're patching something right there with that blue rock, and it's really loose. But we can go now. Oh, here we go. Face cam. How you looking, buddy? Nice. Oh yeah, now we're pedaling a little bit. So, it was raining yesterday. We'll have to see. It seems like it's dried up. Alright. I'll have to be careful of all these leaves. My gears. My derailleur's clicking. Let's see here. Alright. Okay. I have my brake lever strapped to my shifter, so it's a little bit funny. We're just gonna go nice and slow today because wet leaves are scary. It's been raining for like 3 days. Oh, it was sunny all day today though. It's kind of moist. Not really wet though. My tires aren't really wet at all, so I think we're good. Oh. 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 We're gonna get some pedaling in today because the Flipsky is probably just gonna be like super hot. Oh, we've got some hills to go up, buddy. I do still have a little bit of regen going, I can feel. What I've noticed with the regen is if I turn it down to 0, then the motor makes some kind of like a humming noise. If I make a profile where I turn the regen to 0%, it makes this annoying humming noise even when the motor isn't going. And I had to turn it up to like 6% is when it would finally make that humming noise go away. I just didn't like it. Flipsky's probably really hot right now. It's cold out, but even when I opened up that case and I was like touching it, it was just like burning hot. And it didn't seem like it was cooling down very fast. Oh, that was close. That could have been bad. Oh. I feel like Flipsky is probably very hot right now. Because I feel like I'm pedaling. I feel like I'm doing a lot of work. Man, I was pedaling back there. Holy buckets. I gotta look at the Flipsky temperature. What is going on with that thing? $82? Yeah. Flipsky's probably getting hot there. It seems to do a pretty good job of limiting things in terms of like the thermal throttling. But 82 is pretty hot. Like, so I've gotta do something where I think I'm gonna get a big piece of aluminum flat stock and like hook it to the back of the Flipsky, and then just have the aluminum, like slice a big hole in the bottom of the box, or like, I don't know, have some way to transfer the heat out of the, I'm gonna hook the Flipsky to a big piece of metal, aluminum flat stock, and then figure out how to cool it down. And it'll still be like hidden within the box. Have to create some kind of a thermal bridge to get the heat out. A little moist over here. Some wet bits back there, but most of the trail's nice and dried off. Nice day out here. I've missed being out here. I haven't been out here for a few days. But man, in the winter, I don't know how often I'm gonna go out here. I was contemplating which way I want to go. I think I'm gonna go this way. We'll do this one. I'm hoping as long as I kind of go slow and pedal and help the Flipsky out, he can kind of manage. That was a pretty tree back there. It had like pink leaves. Oh. Yeah, today you definitely want to turn the regen off. Back here. Low traction. Sketchy leaves. I need some way to transfer all that heat from the Flipsky down on my toes. My toes. Oh! The battery thing came unvelcroed there. Let's see. It's hard to get a backpack battery set up in such a way where you can pedal. Oh. Alright, hopefully we can pedal now. Oh. Oh. There we go. Oh. Kind of huffing and puffing out here today. I've been out here for a few days. Pretty soon I'm gonna have to get a different rear tire on here. I should probably do that. I think my days of street tires this year are over. But I always use the street tire in the rear during the summer because it just saves so much money in tires. There's a leaf here and there that just has kind of like a puddle on top of it. Oh. It's interesting how leaves are waterproof. Oh. Flipsky seems like it's doing okay. Maybe a little hot. I put some holes in this controller box thing, but it needs a lot more than that. Oh man, it is hard to get backpack batteries sorted out right. Like, they're just always jangling around, and I haven't found the perfect way to do it yet. It keeps getting caught on my knee. Man, I wish this low battery thing would stop popping up. That's so annoying. Oh my god. What is that noise? What's going on here? Is there like a leaf stuck or what? What the hell? It sounds like my front fender. Man, that is so distracting. Oh my goodness. It was a little hot, or a little moist back there. I'm definitely liking these fat tires today. This is what I want out here. Oh, so someone was saying they were having problems with VESC 6.05, but I don't know. So far the hub motor, kind of like the basic setup, seems like it's working pretty good. Haven't seen any problems so far. So far it's just the Flipsky getting too hot with no airflow, but it seems like the throttling works pretty good. Oh, where it starts throttling at like 85. You can definitely feel when it starts doing that. And then it's time to pedal. So I'm going to stand up to see if that creek is my C-post, which it seems like it is. I don't know. That creaking noise is sketching me out. Let's see if I can hear it standing up. I don't hear it all while I'm standing up. It must be a steep post. Heard it as soon as I sat down. Oh. 1 foot down right here. Oh my goodness. Oh, I got something in my crock and it hurts to pedal. Let's see here. What is going on? There's like a stick in my crock. Ouch. Definitely the seat post. Okay. I just want to make sure it wasn't the frame where my brother welded it. Gotta pull my pants up. We're at 81.6 volts. And I don't know, my GoPro, my phone is probably gonna go dead here. I think my phone, I should probably stop that screen recording just in case there's an emergency. Let's see here. What are we at? 7%? Okay. Alright, I gotta turn my phone off, because if I have to switch over to the 52 volt battery, I gotta have my phone not dead, so that I can use the VESC tool app to reconfigure things. Alright, my toes are cold. Oh. Probably skipping the ape hanger today, boys. We're just gonna roll through here. If you have any problems with VESC 6.05 firmware, let me know, boys. Let me know what changed. I'm interested to hear about any issues you're experiencing.
these mole holes or what is going on out here? It always seems to happen right there. I can see there's been at least one other person out here today. Oh, that was a little bit that was a little bit sketchy. Oh man. Alright. We're at 81.2 volts. This backpack battery wire is like getting in my way today. Unfortunately, I can't pedal very good. I'm always moving my batteries around and stuff. From like bike to bike. So I never quite have them like completely strapped down properly and like out of my way, and it's always some kind of a issue. Oh, nice day out though. I'm just thankful it stopped raining. And the sun has graced me with its presence. Oh, there's still an orange flag right there. Critical turn. Here's the part where we gotta be careful. We're just gonna take it easy. A nice leisurely stroll through here. I think every once in a while there's a leaf that gets like sucked up into my fender and it makes this scary noise, like something's terribly wrong. This is a little bit not fun when there's so many leaves out here that are wet. Gotta be careful. Oh, oh, there we go. This is where we're gonna take it easy. Oh, big stick. Oh, instructions. Oh, 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 oh. Ah. Wow. Some trail obstructions. Oh, I think that's a leaf in the fender again. Leaf in the fender can be kind of scary, but usually it works itself out. Oh, 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 let's keep it on trail, buddy. Let's get this wire on my way. Oh, wheel came up right there. I hope the GoPro's still going, because this is treacherous. I think we're gonna take this way today. I'm gonna skip the north berm. Oh. And we're gonna head towards the exit. Oh. Whoa! Man. I wasn't aware of that root back there. I'm gonna have to mark that one in my memory banks. Gotta be very careful on this. Some of the other tracks that I'm seeing from people who were riding here earlier look like they were sliding off of the trails and riding in a crazy manner. I'm just trying to ride around in a manner where I can make it out alive. Oh! We're still at 81.2 volts. I'm getting cold, and unfortunately the sun is kind of going down. So I think I'm heading out. So when it's on 6% regen, I can't even really tell that the regen is on. I wonder if GoPro made it through that whole voyage, or what happened here. Oh, it did, nice. GoPro, today you're the best, buddy. So let's get my phone here. Oh. Alright, so that was nice. So I like using those profiles to do that. So I'm going to stop here because I'm going to turn regen on. And you don't want to turn regen braking on when you're riding with one hand sketchily. So I'm going to say use street mode until reboot. So now we should have regen braking. Flipsky's at 79 degrees. Motor's at 57. Alright. It is at this point that I'm going to return home, bubbies. It's been a good ride. Good time. My toes are cold. I don't have the fur-lined Crocs on, that's why. What a day out here. So the election's over, I'm thankful for that.
very thankful for that. That was getting pretty old. Just, what I'm saying specifically is I'm thankful that it's over. Not saying anything about the results, my friends. How's that regen doing? Ooh. Regen is pretty awesome. I gotta move somewhere warm. Oh! It gets pretty cold here. It's gotta be like 40 right now. It's not heated gloves territory yet, but it is close. Oh. Flipsky is like too hot on me. Oh my god, you can keep going, you can keep going. Flipsky is too hot on me and I might be in like pedaling only mode. Yeah, we're gonna have to take it easy here. I have to take it easy here on the way back. Flipsky gets so hot in that case, I gotta fix that. Even when I put holes in it, that's crazy. Alright guys, well I think this might be it for this video. Oh, I really need to figure out the Flipsky thermal situation. But other than that, it was a fun ride. I'm not in a good situation to be pedaling here, so because of this dang wire. Oh. I think when you do the backpack wire and you're pedaling, you want the wire behind you, out of the way of pedaling. I just can't seem to get it right today. I don't usually use the Flipsky with this battery, but then when I put 6.05 on it, now I can. So that was kind of a, I mean, it seems to work on a 21S battery, so I'm thankful for that. Because I have a large 21S battery, Big Daddy Samsung. You know, it's kind of annoying how I could never use it with Flipsky. Oh, but now I can. So it was, that's one reason to upgrade the firmware from that one that Flipsky ships on it. Now I can't say if running it at 21S is gonna like do anything to the Flipsky or wear it out faster or what's gonna happen, but it seems like I still have a decent amount of battery left. It's kind of a short ride to the trails, but it is cold, buddy. I can tell Flipsky's probably on the verge. It's probably 80 something. Alright guys, well this might be a slow ride home, so I'm just kind of squeezing my butt cheeks, trying to stay warm here. I don't know. Make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment. Leave a comment about how I should fix my Flipsky's thermal situation. Some cars kind of scare me. The ones that look like they're driving off the road. Is the GoPro still going here? Because that's unbelievable. The GoPro only works good when you're in like Antarctica. It's the only time. Should probably shift this baby up. See here. Oh. Let's get it into gear. Get this damn wire out of my way. Goodness. Oh. So I think we've fully tested that the Flipsky thermal throttling seems to start going. Bro, it is so cold, dude. This is ridiculous. We need to get out of here. I need to go sit in front of a fireplace or something. I'm so glad I'm not gonna have to watch those political commercials anymore. Oh my goodness. We're going down a hill in the Flipsky, 78 point something volts. My toes have to be at like 34 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh. Oh, there. Oh. There's a scene over there, bubbies. Holy buckets. Look at this. I think that regen, whenever I do regen, it seems like Flipsky gets hotter, like really quick. We're just pedaling right now. Like, maybe he's helping out a little bit. This is a hill, buddy. Noisy Boy is making some kind of noise at me in defiance. I don't know what his deal is. He's kind of whiny today, whiny boy. We're getting some pedaling in here today. Hey Flipsky, can you help out yet? Oh my goodness. Some of those big tires that go on farm equipment are just giant. I wonder how much those tires cost. Probably like thousands of dollars for one. Like you could just like fit inside of it. We got a cowardly car behind me. Cowardly car. And brutal. I think we're gonna make it. I think we're gonna make it. Well, the VESC 6.05. There's the Windows XP background when it's freezing out.